Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Roblox app and making sure you are signed in. This gives you access to groups. Once in, tap the three-line menu, then choose Profile so you see your personal page. You do this because the profile view links directly to the Groups area. It saves time versus searching generic menus. Make sure your connection is steady, because slow networks can cause the app to lag when loading group search features. Once done, tap the Groups tab on your profile to reach the Group Hub. This is where search lives. Type the group name or a keyword into the search bar. Precise words return exact matches, while broader keywords show similar communities. Then, make use of filters like relevance or members to sort results. These filters help you find active or large groups quickly. If you want official affiliates, look for verified badges or consistent naming patterns to spot legitimate groups. After you find a group, open its page and read the description and rules. This explains expectations and membership types. Tap Join or Apply and answer any profile questions. Some groups require approval, so expect a wait. If you don't see expected groups, clear the app cache, log out and back in, or reinstall the app. These steps fix common search glitches. Finally, make sure you're on Wi-Fi and retry, because poor connectivity often causes missing or incomplete search results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.